If you are building AI applications, you have probably heard of LangChain, LangGraph, and LangSmith. But what exactly do they do? And more importantly, which one should you use? Today, we're going to break down these three powerful tools for AI development, explore their strengths and weaknesses, and help you decide which one is best for your needs. So make sure to stick around and let's get started. Deep dive into LangChain. LangChain is the most well-known of the three, and for a good reason. It's a powerful framework that helps developers integrate LLMs into their applications seamlessly. Here's what you need to know about. Key features. Chains and agents. You can create chains of prompts and actions for multi-step AI workflows. Memory and context. Enables AI to remember past interactions. Tool integration. Easily connect APIs, databases, and external tools. Retrieval augmented generation. Enhances LLM responses with external knowledge sources. Example use case. Imagine you are building a chatbot for customer service. With LangChain, you can create a chain that fetches real-time data, applies reasoning, and generates responses dynamically. Drawbacks of LangChain. It can be complex to manage. As projects grow, managing multiple chains becomes tricky, not optimized for debugging. So if something goes wrong, debugging large chains can be frustrating. How LangGraph takes things further. Now, this is where LangGraph comes in. LangGraph is built on top of LangChain, but it introduces graph-based orchestration, making workflows more structured and scalable. Why use LangGraph? Visual representation of AI workflows make it easier to understand AI logic. Improved multitasking. It can run multiple AI tasks in parallel, more control over AI reasoning. Define step-by-step logic better than LangChain. Example use case. Let's say you are developing an AI assistant that answers emails, schedules meetings, and books flights. With LangGraph, you can create parallel branches for different tasks, ensuring efficient execution without conflicts. Potential downsides. Number one, more complexity. Setting up a LangGraph project requires more planning. Number two, still relies on LangChain. If LangChain updates cause issues, LangGraph might inherit those problems. LangSmith, the debugging and optimization tool. Alright, now let's talk about LangSmith. If you have ever struggled with debugging an LLM-based app, you will love this tool. Key benefits. Tracking and monitoring, logs and records every LLM interaction. Performance testing, helps you analyze model accuracy and response quality. Fine-tuning insights, helps developers optimize prompts and parameters. Example use case. Imagine you have built a chatbot with LangChain, but some users report incorrect responses. With LangSmith, you can replay previous conversations, analyze errors, and tweak your system accordingly. Drawbacks. Not a development framework. It doesn't replace LangChain or LangGraph. It complements them. Additional setup required. Requires integrating logs and monitoring dashboards. Now, which one should you use? Here's a quick guide based on your needs. Choose LangChain if you are building basic to moderate AI workflows, and if you need quick integration with APIs and memory. Choose LangGraph if you have complex AI workflows with multiple decision points, and if you need better orchestration and structured logic. Use LangSmith if you want to debug, analyze, and improve AI outputs, and if you need better testing and monitoring tools for your AI app. In many cases, you might actually use all three tools together. LangChain for workflow curation, LangGraph for structuring complex processes, and LangSmith for debugging and optimization. Now tell me down below in the comments, which one do you prefer and why? And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.